The pair production interactive calculator determines whether gamma-ray photons can create electron-positron pairs and calculates their resulting energies. Let's examine the input fields. First, we have a calculation mode drop-down with 5 options: threshold photon energy, particle kinetic energies, momentum distribution, cross-section estimation, and interaction probability. For this demonstration, I'll use threshold photon energy mode. Next, enter the photon energy in MeV. I'm using 2.50. The electron angle in degrees affects particle distribution. I'll enter 45. The atomic number Z represents the target material. I'm using 82 for lead. Finally, input the material thickness in centimeters. I'll use 1.0. And material density in grams per cubic centimeter, 11.34 for lead. After clicking Calculate, here are our results. The threshold energy shows 1.0220 MeV, meaning pair production requires at least this photon energy. Since our photon has 2.50 MeV, the status confirms pair production is possible. The electron kinetic energy and positron kinetic energy both show 0.7390 MeV with equal division, meaning the excess energy is split evenly between the created particles. This tool quickly verifies pair production conditions for radiation shielding design. Find the link in the description below.